In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ChatGPT account. If you've decided you no longer want to use your account, this process is pretty straightforward, but it does include a final confirmation step to make sure the deletion is intentional. As you follow along, just keep in mind that deleting an account is permanent, so make sure you're ready before you confirm it. To begin, open ChatGPT and look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where you can access the settings and account-related options you'll need for the deletion process. Once that menu appears, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your account, where you can manage different preferences and account controls. From there, look for the Account section and select it. The Account tab is where ChatGPT places important details related to your login and account management. After you're inside the Account section, scroll or navigate until you find the Delete Account option. This is the area specifically intended for permanently removing your account. When you see it, click on Delete to begin the confirmation process. At this point, ChatGPT will ask you to verify the action. First, type in the email address associated with your account. Make sure you enter the correct email exactly as it's registered, since this step helps confirm that you're deleting the right account. Next, you'll be asked to type the word delete in all capital letters. This is an important confirmation step, and it must be entered exactly in uppercase. If it isn't typed correctly, the final deletion button may not activate, so take a second to make sure it matches what's requested on screen. Once both fields are completed, click on Permanently Delete My Account. This is the final step, and once you select it, your account deletion request will be submitted. Because this action is permanent, you should only proceed if you're completely sure. And that's it. Those are the steps to delete your ChatGPT account from within the settings menu. If you're following along in real time, move carefully through each confirmation screen so you don't accidentally remove an account you still want to keep. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you complete the process clearly and confidently.